let's talk about data center. Tuya IoT platform has developed a data center for you to show what's your business. And here, as you can see that we have 5 servers around the world, and you need to choose the correct servers. Then you will have to see the app registration and the device activation, and also some feedbacks analysis. Based on different country, you can choose, and also different time periods. This is the normal functions for data center. I also want to introduce some new functions. By the end of April, we will have a new version of data center. And here are 3 new functions I like to introduce. There will be voice control analysis, automation analysis, user analysis. For example, the automation, I just introduced the scenario automation. They are same thing. So for automation analysis, you can see what devices are linked the most frequently, and see if you want to push any advertisements to different devices. Yeah, this is how it works. And for user analysis, there are 2 dimensions for user analysis. The first one is for app, like how long the user has been registered and how long has it been activated, like this. And the other side is the product side, like how many devices does the user have. So you can have different level of users. You can know which to push advertisements to. And besides of all the new functions, we will provide a demo for the data center, because what I showed you, there is no much data because I don't sell products on my account. But for the demo, you can see numbers, play around with them. Yeah. Okay. Next is Operation Center I want to introduce. The Operation Center is developed for you to communicate with your end customers. And again, there are 5 servers, data separated. So choose the correct server. And there are messages, means that you can push notifications, advertisements to the end users. And also feedback. Here, I want to combine with the app. Because from the app, we have FAQ and feedback entrance. If any customer submit feedback on your app, then you can communicate them at your IoT platform. Okay, let's have a practice. Go to operation. For feedback. All of the user feedback will show up here, so you can reply them. But if you are worried that you might miss any of the feedback because you don't log in IoT accounts a lot, don't worry about that. There is an email setup here. If you put it on, the notification, the feedback will send to the email. Yeah. Okay, that's for operation. And there's another one I want to show you is the knowledge base. Here from the app, there is a FAQ page here. So your end customers can see the FAQ to find if any answers could help them. For Tuya Smart, sorry. Okay, for Tuya Smart, we have an initial FAQ library, but it includes all of the devices. You may not need some of the devices, like if you focus on the lights, you may not need the air purifier, so you can copy one And then you can edit the one to what you want. Okay, that's for the operation center. Next, I would like to show you something about the SaaS development or cloud development. As I mentioned before that Tuya platform is an open platform. We welcome all the developers to access to our cloud to build your own app, your own SaaS systems. So you can see that we allow different types of devices to access to Tuya Cloud. And here, let me show you. Here, cloud platform. Can see we have different solutions for developers to access to Tuya Cloud. And if you are interested, please check with Learn More so you can find all the solutions here. Yeah. Okay. Next is the purchasing. On IoT platform, we have a purchasing center for you to order modules, licenses, and also you can follow the order until it's completed. And the next is about value-added services. As I showed before, that for app, we have value-added services like App Market, Widget, Siri, App Watch. And also, I want to show you something about the voice speakers. Currently on Tuya IoT platform, we have 9 voice speakers. And Tuya can provide services on product access, certification, and apps to app skills. Okay, now we have a brief introduction of all of the IoT platform, but I think the IoT platform function there are a lot of functions I didn't cover. So if you want to explore the IoT platform, I'd like to share you with some documents. Remember the navigators, there is an entrance for documents. Click on the documents. You can find what you need for the menus for each blocks. For app development, how to create OEM app, how to do customization, how to launch app. And for value-added services, what do we have for the services, what to buy. And at the end, I'd like to show you how to work with Tuya on IoT platform. Firstly, it's about Help Center. If you input your questions at the Help Center, you may get your answer directly. And if it doesn't solve your questions, problems, raise technical support here. Let's show how we can get. Click technical support. And click ask. Input the problems here. If you have attachments, please upload it here. And remember, if you provide the PID, the app, and also the device ID, that will help us to solve the problem quickly. And also, the IM, the instant message I have introduced. Click here, we can enter into the tool. And if we provide the services to you, there will be group chat here to let you know the status or what we need from you, okay? And also, if you are our VIP customer, we have more special services for you. check with your BD. Yeah. Okay. So that's all for the brief introduction on IoT platform. Next is the Q&A. So let's check out. Messages. Okay.